Hello, today I am here to give you a few points about how to increase the number of contacts you have, the number of friends, how to widen your circle. These facts I have found from many books which I have read and my own personal experience. I'll just give it to you in point form. The first one, which I think is important, is to remember a person's name. Yeah, you have to remember a person's name and call him in a nice way, because a name is the most important thing for anyone, and when you call him by his name, you bring a close bond between yourself and that person. So that is important. Whether it is a sports club or your students or in your business circle, you talk to someone by his name means you come closer to him. The second most important thing I would mention is be a good listener. Listen to people. A lot of people don't want to listen. They all want to talk, and they all have so much to say that few people care to listen to what the other person is saying. So when you listen to someone, it may be his personal problem, or he may be explaining business, his point of view in a business deal, or he may be trying to sell a new product, or he may be talking to you about his hobby. Whatever it is, when you listen to him carefully and genuinely, he knows that he brings you become closer to him, because everybody likes to feel that what they say is being understood by the other person. So that is my point number 2, and then I will go to another important point, which is very important, whether you are a housewife or whether you are trying to please your subordinates, or whether you want to motivate your students. What is important is to show appreciation. So showing appreciation is very important, because it makes the other person work even better. And say a few words of appreciation, and you will feel that you have established a special contact with your listener, your friend, or whomever whom you contact with. They may be showing you, you may have walked into a house and you look around and say, what a beautiful house this is, or you have a lovely garden, and when you make it sound genuine, the other person will take the trouble of showing you even more and spending more time with you. So genuine appreciation is another way of coming closer to a person. The opposite of this, I would say, is, which we should never do if we want friends, is, or if we want to demotivate anyone, is criticize. Criticism is very bad, because it takes the spirit away from a person. They do not want to perform anymore. They just shut down. So I would say, don't criticize. That is something which spoils the show and takes people away from you. Yeah. Still, on appreciation, something similar to appreciation is praise, which is also point number 3 there, but I will also mention it here. Praising a student and saying that he has done good work makes him want to do even better. He wants to try harder. Don't look for what has to be criticized, but look for something which can be praised. If 70% of the work is wrong and 30% you find is good, you focus on the good side and say that you have done something which is correct. Yes, the next one I would like to say is the number 6 is talk to somebody about what interests him. Talk to a person, talk about what interests him and not about what is uppermost in your mind. It may be his hobby, his house, his garden, his job, or his clothes, or music, or whatever it is. If we focus on the items which he likes to, which is close to him, he will remember you as a good friend. So these are a few points which I have found, which brings people closer to you, and it increases your number of contacts. I would advise anyone to apply these few points. Just to make a summary, remember a person's name, not only his name, you can go one more, and you can say his maybe his interests, maybe his birthday and anniversaries. When you remember all this, it brings a close contact with another person. Then be a good listener. Listen to people when they are talking. Don't be distracted. Don't pretend to listen, but genuinely listen. The third one is appreciation. Appreciate even little matters where you can say a few good words. It's same as praise. And what you shouldn't do is criticize. Criticism just kills the spirit of friendship. And the last one I would say is talk to people about what interests them and not about what is uppermost in your mind. These are the few points which I have learned in life and which can bring people closer to you. Thank you. Look forward to my next video.